Hello fashion designers, today we are here to make this gorgeous corset bra cups for this top right here. In our previous video we drafted the pattern for making the top. In today's video we're going to focus on making the corset bra cups for the top. Without wasting any more time, let's get started, shall we? By the way, my name is Q and this is Q's Beyond Fashion. These are the bra cup patterns that we drafted the last time as mentioned. So this is the center front pattern without the seam allowance, and then this is the pattern with the seam allowance. Same thing applies to the side front. This is the pattern without seam allowance, and this one is the one with the seam allowance. To make the corset bra cups, we're going to make use of the corset bra cup patterns, and then we're going to make use of the fusible fleece. This fleece has got glue on one side, and on the other side it is smooth. This is the side with the glue. And then we're going to make use of this fusible interlining. This is used for joining two fabric pieces. This is what it looks like. I hope that you can see this. And of course, we're going to make use of the fabric. This is the animal print fabric that we use for making the top. You start by cutting 3 or 4 pieces of the fusible fleece. Depending on how thick it is, I'm going to make use of 3 pieces. We are going to iron these 3 pieces together such that they become one piece, okay? So we place them making sure that the glued side is facing the other piece. So this is the rough side. And then I'm going to place another piece on top of it like this. This is the last piece. The glued side of the last piece, I will make sure that it is facing the other pieces like so, such that at the top I have the smooth surface, and also at the bottom I have the smooth surface. And then I'm going to press these 3 together. After pressing the 3 pieces of fusible fleece, I felt they were not strong enough to hold my bust because I'm quite a busty person. So I've gone ahead to cut another piece of fusible fleece, and I'm going to add it on top just to make my cups stronger. So I'm going to place it like that, and then I'm going to press it to make it 4 pieces. So this is the fusible piece. It consists of 4 pieces. Next, we're going to take the corset bra cups without the seam allowance, and we're going to place them on the fusible fleece like so. Next, we're going to cut out the patterns. Next, we're just going to mark the bust point on our form. We have also gone ahead to cut the fusible interlining. So this is the interlining. We cut the fusible interlining with the same pattern pieces without the seam allowance. To cut out the fabric for our lining, we have used the pattern pieces with the seam allowance all around. So we are going to remove the patterns. We have notched the bust point here. There is a small notch right here. There is also another small notch on the bust point on this side. So now we are going to take our form, and we are going to place the fusible interlining on top of it like that. We are going to take the corresponding fabric. Then we are going to take the form with the fusible interlining. We are going to place it on top of the fabric like that. This is how it looks all around. And then we're going to do the same to this other piece. Place the fusible interlining on the form like so. And then we place this on the fabric, leaving the seam allowance around. Next, we are going to press this in order to attach the form onto the fabric. These are the bra cup pieces. We have attached the form and the fabric, and they've become one. Next, we're going to sew together around the middle like so. Pin in place, starting at the bust point where the notch is. This is how we have pinned. So we are going to sew the fabric very close to the edge like so until this point. We have sewn together the pieces. This is the seam right here. It's very, very close to the form, as you can see. This is the other side. The seam is inside next to the form. Next, we're going to open up the form like that. We are going to open the seam like so. And then we are going to top stitch on both sides. We are going to top stitch this side, and we are also going to top stitch on this other side. This is our bra cup. This is how it looks on the inside. This is how it looks. To get it into the perfect shape that we want, we are going to press it using a tailor's hem. This is my tailor's hem, so I'm just going to place my cup right here, and then I'm going to press it using a steaming iron and press it all around, and it will become the round shape, which is beautiful. So this is our bra cup after steaming it on the tailor's hem. You can see now it is nice and rounded. This is the inside. It is so gorgeous. I hope that you guys like it. Here is the other bra cup as well. We've done the same thing to it. Next, we have cut out the main fabric. This is our lining this side, and then this side we have to put a main fabric to cover up the bra cup. So we have gone ahead to cut out the main fabric. We have used the patterns with the same allowance all around. Okay, we have cut out 2 patterns for our 2 bra cups. Same thing this side. We have also cut out an interfacing just to stabilize our fabric because we want it to be stronger. Now we are going to put it onto the fabric and then press it. So we are going to press this with the steaming iron. We have attached the interfacing onto the fabric, as you can see. Next, we are going to pin the fabrics together on the center as I'm doing now. We are going to start at the bust point and attach these 2 notches, okay? So we are going to align them and then start pinning. Next, we're going to sew around like so. We have sewn the main fabric, as you can see. For now, it's still shaped in a funny way, okay? It's not a perfect round shape. So to achieve that, we are going to press the seam on the tailor's hem, and we're going to open the seam and press all around. And then now this is the fabric for our bra cup. You can see how nice and round it is. This is the wrong side. The seam has been pressed open, as you can see. Next, we're going to get the corresponding bra cup, and then we are going to turn the fabric to the wrong side, and then we are going to pin it together along the top like this. Make sure the seams are aligned. We are just going to sew the top right here. We have sewn the top, as you can see. Next, we are going to turn over the bra cup and cover it. Maybe before we do that, we are first going to do a top stitch right here on the lining side. So this is our top stitch. I hope you can see the top stitch. There it is. Okay, now we are going to turn over fabric to the correct side like so. This is how it looks at the top. Now we are going to turn it over to the correct side. And then we are going to pin right round like that. So we are going to sew around like that, and that will finish our bra cup. And then again, we are going to press it on the tailor's hem to make sure that we end up with a rounded bra cup that is nice and beautiful. We are done sewing around the bra cup, and we've also pressed it into this beautiful round shape. This is the wrong side. It is absolutely gorgeous. On a closer look, this is our bra cup. This is at the outside. It is absolutely stunning. And this is the other one. The bra cups are ready to be sewn to the top. Thank you guys for watching. We appreciate each and every one of you. If you've made it up to this far, please make sure that you like the video. Also leave us a comment down below. Again, we want to say thank you to our subscribers. If you are not yet subscribed, make sure that you join the family by hitting the subscribe button. We love you guys so much. Remember, God is our strength. See you next time. Bye bye.